Imagine a river so hot, it can kill you instantly. Deep in the Peruvian Amazon, the Chanay Timpishka River reaches near boiling temperatures without a volcano nearby. Local legend says a powerful spirit heats the water, but scientists found geothermal faults beneath the surface. Small cracks release hot gases from Earth's core, heating the river to over 93 degrees, 200 degrees. Wildlife that falls in rarely survives. It's a real-life science mystery still being studied. Boiling rivers aren't fantasy, they're geothermal marvels, and nature's kettle is bubbling in the rainforest.